And I win it, me say what you want, kuma. Who about on training nasi or rashi? Wase kono ngoko di kosi kumase. On nashi, se wuhuna fanboy in body de bio. On lucky, Ushiawa, wase waya down, washewo, se wani unibewu. You go promise all because of the tongue. I know they lie you, so make you take the caution, my lady. Van Veka, you know the joke.
Hi, excuse me, are you looking for someone?
Yes, I'm looking for somebody.
Who? Myself?
That boy.
Waiting for me?
Yes.
For what?
Do you know me?
Do you know her? She says she's looking for you.
I don't know who she is. Let's go.
You know me. You know me. I know
Let's get into the car. She's crazy.
Please, I beg. I know. I'm waiting for that boy. As for me, I'm waiting for you.
Honey, I know. She needs some money.
All right, give me some money. Let's go about.
Hey, that money. Your small money. I don't like your small money. Me sikami wo sikabebre. Sikami financial. Your friend original somebody. Me sikami me this sikaton Prada. They say sika wo fie, sika wo bank. Me na me this sika. At the end, so we trouble them. Are you
all right?
Hold on. Why are you looking for me? I said I don't know you.
I want you, Bediako. Bediako.
You know his name?
Yes, Bediako.
Love. I mean, she knows your name.
Big deal. People know my name. What is it? Maybe she even overheard somebody calling me at the mall. I'm sure she's a regular here at the mall. So she's heard somebody call me. Maybe you even mentioned my name. Man, come on.
Young woman, can you leave us alone? Sweetheart, let's go.
Hey, please wait. Wait. That boy is coming my spot. Original somebody's spot. It came in my spot. It took me my bedroom. It's shaku feeling. Once. No two. Once in runaway. I'm setting all. I don't
baby,
looking that mind.
Hold on.
This time I'm looking you.
No.
You do
Listen.
it again. It's shocky. Again.
No.
I don't want money. I want shocky. No.
Hold on.
This day, man.
I think I remember her.
Babes, what's going on here? She's saying a lot. What's happening?
Well, this time I went to.
You know her.
Yeah, I remember her. It's not like I know her like that. It's a drinking place. I went there once.
So you know her place. So whatever she's saying is the truth.
No, I don't know you.
You know
I
me.
don't know
You
her like
met
no.
me.
Can I talk? I don't know her like that, but I was at the drinking spot she spoke about, and I got really drunk. I got pissed, and I was trying to go to the car, and she was trying to help me. Before I knew it, she got me into her room, and she was actually trying to rape me, trying to get my clothes off, but I left.
You raped me.
Excuse you.
Hold on.
raped me.
Come on, listen. I said I did not. I ran away.
Why were you pretending?
You raped me.
Will you be quiet? It's not the truth. She's just trying to twist it. She was actually trying to rape
You raped me.
because I
You
was
lie.
drunk.
You lie. You
Shut up.
lie.
Hey, stop it!
Stop it. Listen to me, Obi. You're furious.
I'm so disappointed in you. So you could stoop so low to sleep with her?
Hello, sister. Okay, go. I'm taking you. Hey, please wait.
Excuse me.
Menya, let me say, I love you. Kiss me. Kiss me.
To me and my girlfriend.
Yeah, me do what you don't kiss me.
Yeah, but when
Thank you.
Okay?
No, I'm not.
Come on, you need to cheer up. Huh? What is it now?
You know I'm not cool with you, so why are you asking me what's wrong with me?
Come on. We are here to celebrate. There was something wrong and we've settled it. And we're here. Why do you want to go back?
Why is it that you always want to do the wrong thing and the next minute you call me in for apology?
We all make mistakes. So let's go forward, huh?
You always offend me and then later come and say
I
sorry.
said I was sorry.
What would you like to know?
Veggie mojito.
Okay, and you?
Give me the same thing.
Okay. I'll be with you shortly.
What's that for?
What was what for?
Raising her eyebrows and trying to dress up or something. I don't know.
Is that what she was doing? I didn't even notice. You ladies, man. What? She did nothing.
Well,
I mean, come on.
it's all right. Let's forget about her. It's about me and you.
Yeah, it's about you and I.
Why is it that you always want to hurt me and the next minute you want to say sorry? Because you know I'll accept you. It's not funny.
Look, we're here to forget about the mistake that I made. Forget the past. Let's just go forward. That's why we're here. They want to keep going back.
So you won't repeat yourself again.
No. Come on.
I know you.
I'm bad like that.
I didn't
Oh.
say that.
Oh, Lord. Okay. I hear.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Please, someone will attend to you shortly.
All right.
All right.
I simply don't get this.
You don't get what?
You came in to take our orders and you left. And then you came in here again to say that someone else will take care of us. What's that drama for?
What drama again?
Can't you see the way she's behaving towards us?
Where's I don't see any drama here. Hey, it happens all the time. Maybe she's switched shift. Or she's a supervisor and she's handed the job over to somebody else. She's going somewhere, I don't know.
Anyways,
Hey, it happens all the time.
but you have to listen. I don't ever want you to hurt me and come and say sorry again.
Yes, madam.
It's all about yes, madam.
What else can I say? Yes, madam. You,
What's it?
Mate. Hi. Let me go pee. I've been holding it for a while now.
It's all right.
Yeah? I hope the drinks will cheer you up before I go.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Please, can I have my drink? Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
second, when you were giving me all those signs, I wasn't even sure, what to make of it. But then I thought again, I was like, you know what? She will be waiting for you somewhere, and I knew exactly you'd be here, this spot. You were so bad.
That is the attitude of smart boys like you.
I see.
What do you want to know? Is my name important?
Yeah, of course I need to know your name.
Come on.
What's your name again?
Let's talk something else.
Okay, and how long you been working there?
Not quite long. Yes.
Very sexy. For a second, hey, listen.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! And you!
Sewa, what are you doing here?
No!
Oh, Sewa! Sewa! Who are you?
Who am I?
Yes, who are you?
Have you suddenly forgotten? Come on, we're just having fun. Come here.
Hey, don't touch me. Why am I in the ladies?
Don't waste your breath. Look, I'm here for you, okay? Just forget.
You here for me? Do you know
Forget.
who that is?
Who is she? I can give you whatever you want.
I don't want anything from you. Don't touch me.
Hey, cool. Just,
Sewa!
can you come back? At least we can exchange numbers.
Oh, shit.
Agodo. Misro. Asema abano. Mimpese. Ade. Nungwasi. Abre. It's a shame though. Because me ba abede akuni. Me dem na kasaba. I've spoken to him severally. But me Gidi say this time round no. Obasisa. Yes. Well, me know papa. In pese. Tontobia baba yentem. Oh papa no. Me nejuma. We are politicians. He supports me in everything I do as far as my political ambition is concerned. Me go campaign on the mamiska. Me go campaign on the mam vehicles. Bibia maybe ono. Enti me mpese problem bia ba yentem. Mesro. Bedi akono. Unakasa. No, Basisa. Why? Akutu. I don't want any problem between the two families. Why?
Oh, Papa. So what could do? Yes, I want a woman number Sabbath. Who said what could do this? Is she done, you know? Do you know now? So who do you know? And I'm trying to show you are all fair. Only ye and what the two know. A man in that is a year by ya. So what could do? What? Do you know now? Say, of it. The who's so. In Santa Messiah, but Fachano. We are seeing the bonny child, now fashion chair. A gentleman's second chance, please. Daddy, when you say Bibi, I'm catching you. I respect you so much. Since I'm in Ibedi Akotinai, why am I near my baby? Money makers na media chen. But this is getting out of hands. Daddy, your son doesn't love me. Can you imagine? Oh, yeah, me Bonnie, and we invited me to a restaurant. We were sitting there. Then the waitress came to serve us. In a few minutes, he excused me into the washroom. I waited for some minutes. He was not coming. Only to go to the washroom to see him and another woman kissing and caressing. A waitress!
Why are you going back into what happened? I said I'm sorry. Can we not move forward? It's not going to happen again, I promise. Please.
I'm so sorry. I have tolerated your son enough, and I can't take it. So I'm calling off our engagement.
Oh,
Sewa. What? I said...
Ama. Sewa. Ade. Makache ose. Jaya branti yechiti. Isna mafi. Ngo.
So much.
Idiako.
I don't know why he chose to treat
That
me that
wicked boy.
was my everything. He was my first love. I simply don't know why he decided to hurt me. Daddy, tell me, am I not beautiful?
Why not? You're the most beautiful woman I have seen in this planet.
But why is it that he doesn't love me? He decided to hurt me.
Please, 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 stop crying. At the end of this month, I don't go to America. I go to Kakra. I'm going to come to you. And son was saying, why? Obebana will free it up.
Then the matters of the heart. This doesn't.
You want me to beg her?
Help me, beg me.
For you?
Yes, because I promise it's not going to happen again. I will never do it again. I swear.
Okay, I'm coming. Wait.
Don't you dare come close to me. Don't! Stay away.
I don't even know what came over. It's
You said I have to help you.
Yes, Daddy.
And this is it. Out.
I'm begging you.
I say out.
But I still love her. I love her very much. So, talk.
Double. Don't you worry. I see by the end of this month, you are going to US. So keep quiet.
Emilia Brobe, Watina Kuma, hey, Christiana Wuni, Wamanu broken heart. Hey, if I want to say no Betty Wakuma, if I want Matano, no Betty Wakuma, if I want Meno, no ye playboy.
Well, since I know, I can assure you that Mbabediako is undergoing severe punishment for all that they do. I believe strongly, say, in me, there be a friendship that will support any contributions I want here to ensure my political, higher political level. India is unprecedented. Inti miti he is impese nipa bediako ena friends akuto omu problems na aba impese affect new friendship because we've been friends for a very, very long time, and this one shouldn't be the cause of our friendship, breaking our friendship. Now, Mapa Akuto Swacho, I've actually called my wife, Miri Panachofan, and but not taking decision. So I just don't this year, no. In India. But I'll just have to beg. You know, the saying goes. It's human to forgive. It's infinity. It's number one. Yeah.
Forgive is divine, eh? Okay. Enti mentena ho for your family to disgrace my family.
Oh, honorable.
And so, Wubano, ene me bano, umu differences in Union, a yemi union answer. But me person me catch you say, right from today, anything I made a support to. Financially or anything as political is concerned, it ceases today. And now,
As a marking from your number.
yeah,
Honorable, say me no tea.
me, my gonna say. Me, I will be a Nami Bano so, Emmanuel. What I will say.
As a marking, they said, because you have actually pulled the sun from under my feet.
Also, who say me, the political career, no, you want to disgrace it.
When they say Uncola Gramudi, and you know, I own the Aguas, is an Indian say, oh, Gabefe, so Omowali. And I'm talking to about Muntemina, we want to actually iron out. It doesn't have anything to do with our political friendship, you know. Although socially we are together, but politically we are in the same party. We are trying very hard to maintain our position, you know, in the constituency. The way they said, we are doing politics here, and we are our aim and objective as politicians is different from our daughter and our son.
It's true, but I can't support you financially.
Who would withdraw your support as far as our campaign and then no, don't do that. No, about show.
Yes, I want to go out. So, if you don't have anything better, and so, if you have nothing better to tell me, I'm going out. Okay? So if you finish whatever you're doing, you just lock the door and leave the key outside there.
Okay. I know what.
wasa.
My dear.
Heart then a sweet one. I have to say, then a sweet of fear. In Pesa. As a man, there's nothing sweet at the moment. There's nothing sweet around me. Timon may sweet as you can. There's Maka.
I dear someone.
Me and what? Me and Nobody. Aden. Ambition bakwa mi kura. Political ambition mi kura. I'm person me MP. Wokroma is now in shambles.
Why?
Completely in shambles. Osako to aye mi financier. O support me. Ye bibia mami. Party paraphernalia. Bibia. Me have vehicles. Ye go here campaign me have vehicles. On the mami. As a supporter. Sisiano. Or withdraw the support. Or the money.
What?
Executive members our constituency you know you are coming say mom support me mom look I am a confused man oh imagine ebubom
so didn't know yes sir
obano adia odi ye de ba sawa kotono entia that's the cause.
Me wanya training in Gaza. And I was a member. And I cry your baby. Me no me no ba. What you say? Me no me no ba. The cassia bam and I go fast map. Na Mr. Kotonso, why sad dear say wanya dear, because wonya botre. Say nipa. I am we are seeing dear denya ya obek. The baby bonny. Na so Fabi so no ase odi yo kakra. Fi se akola de oye ye so wa anya de.
O so odi de. Come here. Odi yo. Wa we me yire. Meaning say wo kwa confesi asako to amame no. Na wo say okay afi ma hu. Wa we me yira me nu didi. Bom. Ye dampa was back from. Give me the answer. No, oh, says no, oh, do support them or Sakutu. Yes, sir. Mon support you.
Apoto. Eh? Maybe go face Apoto. Now, wait to me and face him. I'm not letting me face him.
Now, as someone who can't you listen to yourself? Can't you listen to yourself?
Bibi and one yabut.
Okay, meaning Jemaya. Who they support you? Sesiano, Mama said, if you grab an for Obia executive members, Obia support you. Everybody is withdrawing his or her support from me. Now, one, we have a wife, we know that, sorry, entity, boom, also, come instead of support. No problem. Meaning the man.
Men support you.
And then,
men support you. And you have to what's in me.
My mission is at stake. What's happening? Now what's going on? My ambition is at stake.
Nyabutre fi se wiase ma ye wo mu asumdwe seketa abutre ne daso keke tie ya emu ovrem ne ayi bedi akode ya baba wa no enye betesa o enye betesa ankauntia
Fawum matano no beti wakuma fawum meno no ye playboy. Yeah, friend of Van Veka, oh yeah, playboy. Hey, Van Veka, oh yeah, playboy. Found home man, no ye playboy. Ghana brony bibinia wosi prisita. Emilia brobe munina Christiana wuni mese wate wakuma. Oba ono oncheni nasi. Orashi wase konongu kokodi kosi kumase. Onashi se wuhuna fanboy in body de bio. Unlucky Ushiawa wase waya down. Washewobo se wani unibewu. He go promise you all because of the tongue. Well, I know they lie you, so make you take the caution, my lady. Van Baker, you know the joke. His movement be shady. This is what Frewa.
Say myself. What's wrong with you?
Ma, don't act like you don't know what is happening here.
What is happening?
You know I love her very much. And I cannot live without her. And I don't know what I'm going to do without her. I mean, how? What am I supposed to do now? What? I love her very much.
Do you have love? Eh? Who don't be with you? Hey, Niwi, Amma, many dear people, to me now, to name say, will be a one your Timmy, be a one your Timmy, so be to.
But this is not the time. It's not the time to be apportioning blame. Please, you should be helping me. I didn't know me. You helped me to get her back. This is not right.
Hey! Me need someone to say that. Better. So some more when they not wow. Man, they me ban. Some more when about wow. Some more. Do you know something? Media. Love lost cannot be found with tears. So get it. Okay.
That makes sense. I'm understanding you. Right. I shouldn't sit around here and wallow in self-pity. I should move.
Yes.
I should do something. Get out there and do something.
Go for it.
And go for what I want. Right.
Love lost cannot be found with tears. So get it. Okay.
I'm understanding. I'm getting it.
Good.
I understand. I understand you.
Bedi akon. Hey. Enti mu bibi tinu. Why no papa? Hey. Na wo kra wo do. O do be pa na wo. Woni do. Minim se de ba ka che wo. O be sa ba ba ka che. Wo di su be sa ba be. Na wo sa ba ba. So woni no ba. No, they want to drill a bun, walk the crook down, how you pay it. I told you wow. I told you wow. Ah! As I come back, you would hear the baby pay. Are they?
Yana me mo fi se ma se. Ya jimi atabana. Ya jimi atabao. Let's show her our lives.
If I'm man, playboy. A friend of Van Veka, oh yeah, playboy. Hey, Van Veka, oh yeah, playboy.
How did you get here? Get out! What are you doing here?
What is important is I'm here. How I got here is irrelevant.
What do you want?
I'm here because I still love you. Sewa, my heart still belongs to you. And I want to be with you. And I care about you.
Interesting. You love me. I'm sure you're daydreaming. Listen, I've gotten over you. I've moved on. Okay?
No, you can't move on. You cannot move on.
I don't need you ever in my life. Get out.
Sewa, please. I've said over and over again that I am sorry.
I did everything to prove to you that I love you. And what did you do? You treated me like a trash. Listen, Bediako, get it straight. I've moved on. I don't ever need you in my life. Now get out.
You don't want me out of your life. Or you don't want that.
Out!
When I still love you very much. And you know I care about you.
Don't get close. Listen, I don't want you anymore in my life. I've had enough from you. Who do you think you are? What? No, don't do this. Don't kill me. Listen.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill myself. If you want me out of your life, I might as well be out of your life completely.
Oh, you want to kill yourself? Beautiful. Go ahead and kill yourself. You wanted to kill me when I decided to love you wholeheartedly. So if I don't love you and you want to kill yourself, go ahead. Do yourself that favor.
Going to count 1, 2, 3.
Do it. What are you waiting for? Listen, get out.
1, 2.
Just do it. I don't care. Video. Stop.
3. Sewa! 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 Oh God, Sewa!
This year round, once my birthday is approaching very fast. This year, I see me days Friday. My birthday party, they say me big. Big. I'm inviting about 600 guests, politicians, members of parliament, celebrities, personalities. A baby, 600 invitees.
Wow.
Yes, me a baby, in fact, really big. We're golden tulip. Yeah.
My dear. So very big. Me so me son big amount. My wants in Masapa. So say Masapa na that day we dress. Let me show you.
Baby.
My sure say me
Baby.
Me come on, me ma. See, I'll tight myself
Hey, my missus, welcome you. Yeah. You're too much. You're too much, my baby. That's my baby. Hey! Ade! No, me on the fear side! Hey! Sati! My name is Akili Bubu. Ade! Oh, so my name is sending people out to kill me? Yes, you are going to die right now. Why? Shut up!
Please.
Hey, please. Ade! When you get to your ancestors, Ade. And I mean it.
What is it?
Okay? I don't joke. I don't waste time. Mo nom belle. Ghana sika mo de nom belle.
Don't kill me.
But I kill before send me many baby I say forgive
me.
But I want to die. I don't want to talk about your husband.
Woman killed my husband.
I am a professional killer. A gangster. With all these buttons. Dad! Boy. Want to wake them up? Come on, go down on your knees and don't talk. Come on. Please. Put them down. I killed your mother. I've killed your dad. Now it's your turn to die. But not now. Okay. Thank you. For some reasons, I'm going to keep you for some time before I kill you. But definitely, I will kill you.
Don't kill me, please. Oh.
Get up! Turn slowly.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Slowly.
I'm turning.
Then you walk slowly.
I'm walking.
Slowly.
Where are we going, please?
We are going to Satan's kingdom. Very soon, we will get there.
Why did you kill me?
Shut up! Politicians. Shop Ghana money every day. Who this guy? Look at your color. Papa Mo's got a brain and with the team mama. Show color. 10,000 Ghana. Now they are strapped. Now why if I'm on the G guess? Yes, sir. Huh? I'm on G guess.
I don't use it.
Yes, sir.
I don't use it.
Some use it for guess and they are different. And then one can say you will see something. Move! Move!
I'm moving.
But slowly. Yes. Mujie guess the Pia Mujie. You name quite number fast. Minister. Come on, me to Kakraka.
Where are you taking
me? Now move on, move. I have to pull the gate. You have to pull it. Yes. And you know that and you are wasting my time.
But you pushing me.
Come, pull it. You're pushing bullets. Come on. You're going to die today. I will kill you. Politician son. Look at you now. Fresh boy to butchers. Politician son. Of course. Tamgan is Ghanaian. Yamam Chobo Namudi. The Danos Kasim. Near school. Papa Bino. Near Bre. Sorry, near Temscan Pocho near Yamamo. I'm the year parties I can see and I'm the invitee guests. Tamsi come on, I'm the Tom Pocket here. That is Sra Mamukala Efe. I'm the key guest. Meboa. Moi. Ne. Don't look at my face. If you look at my face, I'm going to shoot you right now.
Okay.
Fresh boy Chupa Chups. Die today. But I'm waiting for somebody. Where are you going to die? What do you call an Jimmy gave you? What Jimmy gave you? Moi. What Jimmy gave you? Now cry the one worry. Until Jimmy gave him. The car more popular. So what the men mark up on open. Unti no yes and come on. Who says here? Who will? What could you? You know I've never disappointed you. You always drink blood. Today you're going to drink. You drink blood. I have cast moja. What's it? But I'm waiting for somebody. I'm waiting for somebody.
Wait. Don't kill him.
Honorable, you are here.
Yes.
Some catch us a pass. I don't remember Abribiano.
You have done.
One, catch them.
Honorable. You are the one behind this?
Yes.
You killed my mom?
Yes.
And my dad?
I killed them, both of them.
Why?
Because you killed my only jewel.
I didn't kill her.
But who did it?
I didn't target her.
But how come?
I shot myself.
Look at him. That's the story.
I'm not lying. I shot myself and the bullet, I don't know what happened.
And so the bullets were a bouncing ball.
You have to believe me. I didn't kill her. That's all I know.
Give me the gun.
No, let me do it myself. You hired me to kill him.
No. I told you to kill the mother and the father and bring him alive to me. So that
I can kill him.
No, so that I will kill him myself. Give me the gun.
Are you sure you're going to do that?
Yes, I'm going to do it myself.
Okay, wait. Let me be here. So that when he tries to run away,
He can never. Look. Say your last sentence of prayer and take the bullet. Quick! Oh, Mami Sewa, this is for you.
A friend of Van Veka, oh yeah, playboy. Hey, Van Veka, oh yeah, playboy. Found